Hey guys, today let's talk about CBN wheel for camshaft grinding. Vitrified bond CBN grinding wheel is suitable for grinding the cam lobes of automobile camshafts. The wheel speed is 80 meters per second, 160 meters per second. Designed to use on CNC Cam Grinders like Toyoda Schaudt Landis Junkers and so on. Now we are in the process of quality control of CBN wheel for camshaft grinding. Every grinding wheel we produce has strict quality inspections, and accurate data can help our grinding wheels find the cause in case of problems. Our grinding wheels are suitable for drum cam 5002, drum cam 500, drum crank 5000, 6000. Sharp cutting, high efficiency, long life, less heat, and jam generated in grinding, easy control of the precision, and easy dressing. For more product information, please log into our website